Our team coverage continues now with News 6's Lauren Cervantes tonight, who's taken a look at what changes Florida United Methodist Children's Home is making tonight after the two were able to get out and cause this violence.
The Children's Home says as a result of last night's incident, they will be stopping their campus emergency shelter program for the next 30 days. Now, they also say that they will then discontinue that program until they feel they are able to handle and offer those services again in a safe manner. Sheriff Chitwood this afternoon calling the moratorium great, but saying it's a little too late.
They're understaffed, they're underutilized, they're understaffed, they don't have the resources to do what needs to be done, so they just cycle them in and cycle them out. 21 days? What gets accomplished in 21 days?
Sheriff Mike Chitwood commenting on the Children's Home after he says two kids from Florida United Methodist Children's Home fired guns at his deputies last night. In a statement, the Children's Home says in part, quote, "At this juncture, the level of children who are being sent to us through emergency shelter care at times is beyond the scope of our capabilities to provide the care required." The Children's Home calling the situation last night involving two of their kids tragic and expressing their appreciation for those in law enforcement that were involved. Sheriff Chitwood this afternoon saying his deputies responded to 289 calls to the home in 2020 and 289 in 2019.
Runaways is the big one. You get assaults on staff that come in from there. Some could be Baker Acts because obviously they have kids that come in there that have, so it runs the gamut. I'm sure we can get a list and provide it to you.
The president of Florida United Methodist Children's Home, Kitwana McTire, says they've been working with Sheriff Chitwood and have made changes to their emergency shelter care program. His statement reads in part, quote, "This situation is tragic and is the result of the system failing our children. These children are in desperate need of care in the appropriate setting, which is a higher level of care than we provide." McTire also says in his 25 years working in child welfare service, he's never seen anything like what happened last night. For now in Volusia County, I'm Lauren Cervantes, getting results, News 6.